morning students. Let us learn the first type of salt. We are learning the chapter number 3, that is the ionic equilibria, and into that we in the last lecture learned about the types of salt. Now this is the salt of weak acid and weak base. Now this is the fourth type of salt in which how the solution turns acidic, basic or neutral. This depends upon that is the values of this dissociation constant of acid, weak acid and weak base. The dissociation constant of weak acid is denoted by Ka and dissociation constant of weak base is denoted by Kb. Now this is the first case in which the salt of weak acid and weak base for which Ka is greater than Kb. That means the dissociation constant of that weak acid is Ka is slightly greater than the dissociation constant of that weak base Kb in that salt. And then what will be the result of the solution? In the last lecture I already taught you about that. If the Ka is greater than Kb, definitely the solution is acidic. But how it is, let us learn. Now suppose this NH4 ammonium fluoride is a salt of weak acid HF where Ka is equal to 7.2 into 10 raised to minus 4 and weak base ammonium hydroxide. Now we know that in the neutralization reaction of this HF, that is the hydrogen fluoride and ammonium hydroxide, what will be formed there? There is formation of salt and water in this way. Now this HF plus NH4 OH gives NH4 that is the ammonium chloride salt and H2O. How water is formed? This hydrogen of the acid and OH group of the base form the water H2. Now this is the ammonium chloride salt, which is the salt of this weak acid hydrogen chloride and weak base ammonium hydroxide. So the ammonium chloride is a salt of weak acid HF having the Ka value 7.2 into 10 raised to minus 4. Dissociation constant of acid is 7.2 into 10 raised to minus 4. And weak base ammonium hydroxide having the value of dissociation constant of the weak base Kb is equal to 1.8 into 10 raised to minus 5. Then which value is greater? Here is 10 raised to minus 4 and here is 10 raised to minus 5. We know that if there is the minus is the power, then the less power having value is greater than the value having the, that is the more minus power. Therefore here this Ka is greater than Kb. 7.2 into 10 raised to minus 4 is greater than 1.8 into 10 raised to minus 5. And that's why here Ka is greater than Kb and the salt hydrolyzes as in the aqueous solution. This NH4 plus aqueous plus H minus aqueous plus water gives NH4OH aqueous plus HF aqueous. Now here this HF is the weak acid and that is hydrogen chloride and ammonium hydroxide is the weak base. Now the acid HF is slightly stronger than the ammonium hydroxide. This hydrogen chloride is slightly stronger than ammonium hydroxide because the value of Ka is greater than Kb and the two ions reacts with water in this way. Now the ions of this, that is the salt, that is NH4 ammonium chloride, hydrolyze in the water in this way. NH4 plus aqueous plus twice H2O liquid, it forms NH4OH aqueous, that is the weak base, plus H3O plus, that is the, these are the proton, H3O plus behave as the H plus ions. Again this F minus when hydrolyzed with water, it forms the HF, that is the weak acid, and OH minus, that is the hydroxyl ions. Now see again on the blackboard, the NH4OH ions hydrolyzed to a slightly greater than that of the F minus ions. Why NH4 plus ions hydrolyzed slightly greater than that of the F minus ion, because this NH4OH is the weaker, slightly weaker than the HF. We know that, and the weak always get hydrolyzed than the strong. We know that, and therefore NH4 plus ions hydrolyzed to a slightly greater extent than the F minus ions. That means the reaction produces more H3O plus ion in this case. As NH4OH get more and more hydrolyzed, there is more and more formation of this H3O plus. H3O plus behaves as the H plus ion, and as there is the excess of H plus ion or hydronium ion, what will be there? Definitely acidity is there, and therefore that means the reaction produces more H3O plus ions than the OH minus ions in the reaction. In other words, NH4 plus ions are slightly stronger as than the F minus ion, and that's why this hydronium ion forms in more excess than the hydroxyl ions, and the solution of ammonium chloride thus only slightly acidic and turns the blue litmus paper red, because in acidic solution blue litmus always turns red as there is the more and more percentage excess of hydronium ion than the F minus ion. The solution is acidic in nature, and this is the case where the salt of weak acid and weak base have the values, the dissociation constant values, where K is greater than Kb. Now let us learn the same salt, that is the salt of weak acid and weak base, but in that case what will be there? Salt of weak acid and weak base for which K is less than Kb now. Now that type of salt, for example, is the ammonium cyanide, NH4Cl. Is the salt of weak acid and weak base, in which there is the dissociation constant value of acid is less than the dissociation constant value of base. Now here weak acid, from which this NH4Cl is derived, is the HCl, hydrogen cyanide. When reacts with weak base NH4OH, ammonium hydroxide, then there will be formation of NH4Cl, ammonium cyanide salt. This is the salt of weak acid and weak base, in which K is less than Kb. Now this NH4Cl is the salt of weak acid HCl, having the dissociation constant value of weak acid 4.0 into 10 raised to minus 10, and the weak base ammonium hydroxide having the dissociation constant value, that is Kb, is equal to 1.8 into 10 raised to minus 5. Now what this shows, which value is greater? This Kb value is greater, because here is only 10 raised to minus 5, and in K there is the 10 raised to minus 10. And we know that the negative powers, which are lower negative powers, they are always greater than the higher negative powers, and therefore this Kb is greater than the K, or K is less than Kb. Then what will be happen in the reaction, and how there are the excess of hydroxyl ions are there, and how the solution turns basic, let us learn. Now pay attention students, on the blackboard again we are learning such salts, that is ammonium cyanide, which is the salt of weak acid and weak base, but in this case there is Kb is greater than K, that is the dissociation constant of weak acid Kb is greater than dissociation constant of weak base Ka. Then the reaction of this salt ammonium cyanide is as shown on the blackboard. Now both these ions, ammonium ions and cyanide ions, when reacts with water, there is formation of weak base NH4OH, that is the ammonium hydroxide, and weak acid HCl, that is hydrogen cyanide. Now as Ka is less than Kb or Kb is greater than K, what will be there? The base NH4OH is stronger because Kb is greater than K, and the acid HCl, that is hydrogen cyanide, is weak. The ions of the salt reacts with water as shown on the blackboard in the reactions. Now see here, as the base is more stronger than, that is weak base is more stronger than weak acid, therefore NH4 plus ions get, that is, more hydrolyzed. Now see here, in this NH4 plus H2O liquid, there is formation of NH4OH, that is the weak base but which is stronger than the weak acid, and therefore this NH4 plus ions do not undergo as hydrolysis as that of the Cn minus ion. That means Cn minus ion, cyanide ions, get more hydrolyzed than the ammonium ions. The NH4OH is the slightly stronger than HCl, and therefore NH4 plus ions undergo, that is, it undergo less hydrolyzed than that of the Cn minus ion. Now in these both reactions, in the first reaction there is formation of NH4OH and H3O plus, and in the second reaction when cyanide ion get hydrolyzed with water, there is formation of HCl weak base and OH minus ion. But the reaction X is more predominant there. That means there is this cyanide ion get more and more hydrolyzed to form the HCl, hydrogen cyanide, and excess of OH minus ion. Remember students, we always know that the stronger is always less hydrolyzed than the weaker. Now this Cl minus is weaker than the NH4 plus. Therefore this Cl minus ion get more and more hydrolyzed, and there is formation of excess of this hydroxyl ions. As there is the excess of hydroxyl ion, what happened? Definitely the solution will become alkaline, that is the basic. The Cl minus ions hydrolyze to a greater extent than the NH4 plus ions, and the reaction X produces more OH minus ion than the H3O plus ions, and therefore the solution of NH4Cl is basic and turns red litmus blue. Here red litmus turns blue. In the first salt, what will be there? There is the, as the solution is acidic, in that case blue litmus turns red. But here, as the solution is basic, here red litmus turns blue. Now let us learn the third situation or third condition for the salt of weak acid and weak base. Now into that there is Ka and Kb have the equal value. That means the dissociation constant of weak acid Ka is equal to the dissociation constant of weak base Kb. Now in such case, which salts will be there? Now see this ammonium acetate. This is the salt CH3COO NH4, which is a salt of weak acid acetic acid and weak base NH4OH. Then acetic acid and ammonium hydroxide reacts together. There is the neutralization reaction, and there is formation of salt, ammonium acetate, and water. The acid gives H and the base gives OH, and there is formation of water and this ammonium acetate. As the acid is the organic acid, so we read the salt from the back side, that is ammonium acetate. In this, both the values of K and Kb are equal, and that is equal to 1.8 into 10 raised to minus 5 of that K, and Kb also have the value 1.8 into 10 raised to minus 5. When such salt like the ammonium acetate is dissolved in water, it undergo hydrolysis as now this acetate ion hydrolyzed and these NH4 plus ions also hydrolyzed, and there is formation of weak acid, acetic acid, and weak base, that is the ammonium hydroxide. Now the ions of the salts with water, they also get hydrolyzed as. When acetate ions hydrolyzed with water, it form the weak acid, acetic acid, and OH minus ion. And when this ammonium ion reacts with water, it form the ammonium hydroxide and H3O plus ion. Now the proportion of this OH minus and H3O plus are equal, therefore K is equal to Kb, and so the solution is neutral in this case. So remember student, if K is equal to Kb, then the solution is always neutral for the salt of weak acid and weak base. Now this is about the all three types of condition. If you understand this video and if you like, you can share, subscribe and also tell the other students so that they can benefit, they have the benefit, they can be take advantage of this video. Thank you for watching.